without declaring martial law, I dismantled the oligarchy that controlled the economy of the Filipino people. To our brave soldiers who are with us today, I personally came here to thank you on behalf of the Filipino people for your undying service, especially during these trying times. As we fight the COVID-19 pandemic, lawless elements still take advantage of the ravage across the land, disrupting public order. Recently, it has been a difficult time for our men and women in uniform due to the escalating tension between the military and the terrorist groups. On top of this, we have the deaths of your fellow soldiers, where certain members of the Philippine National Police were involved. As your Commander-in-Chief, I grieve for our fallen men. I convey my deepest condolence to you for the death of your comrades. I already tasked the National Bureau of Investigation to do an injustice by conducting immediate and impartial investigation to ferret out the truth. This by NBI. Is the NBI here? It is my hope that this isolated incident will not spark any animosity between the armed forces of the Philippines and the PNP. Alam mo, the imponderables of life, hindi talaga natin makita nor can project the future of what things will happen or not happen. Gusto natin na ang mangyari araw-araw ay mangyari sa kagustuhan natin. Yan ang gusto ng tao. But sometimes it can turn to something more than just what we ordinarily expect. Yung mga bagay na hindi natin akalain na mangyari ay nangyayari. We don't have the answer for that. We know that there is a certain hatred or anger there. Or if there is none, then a misunderstanding that led to the shooting. As your Commander-in-Chief and as President of the Republic of the Philippines, I assure you that I will see to it that the truth will come out, be it in favor of the police or the military. Ang hihingi ko lang ang totoong nangyari. So, you can rest assured that justice will be done to the family at sa mga tao dito sa, ang mga trupa dito sa Pulo. Remember that our progress as a nation has been for decades hindered by insurgency and terrorism. That is why you have my utmost respect as you risk your lives in the name of peace, security, and development efforts in our regions. May gusto akong sabihin sa inyo. It is not that I am inordinately proud of it. But that was actually a part of my campaign. Sinabi ko sa iyo ninyo noon, kung nakinig kayo sa akin, I never really expected to win sa rating up to the last hour. Hanggang 4 lang talaga ako in the lineup of 4 candidates. 4 lang ako. But I promised you something. Sabi ko, corruption, mahina yan. Alam ko, sinabi ko, narinig ninyo yan. Yang customs, sensilyo lang yan. BIR, sensilyo yan. Ang corruption na bilyon sa taas. Sinabi ko sa inyo yan. And I dare challenge anybody na sabihin nila, I am lying. Sinabi ko yan in my own language. Medyo pagkabastos. Pero sabi ko, itong mga mayaman na ginagatasan ang gobyerno, pati ang tao. Without declaring martial law, sinira ko yung mga tao na humahawak sa ekonomiya at umiipit. At hindi nagbabayad. They take advantage sa kanilang political power. Ganun yan. Every election, noon, o sa ngayon, o bukas, sabihin lang, sa isang kwarto lang yan. O address, sinong kandidato natin ngayon? O ikaw dyan, ikaw ang bahala sa, you raise the funds. 5 tao. Isang pamilya lang ang nag-uusap dyan. Ganon nilaro nila ang bayan ko. Kaya ako mamatay, mahulog yung eroplano, putang ina. I am very happy. Alam mo bakit? Sabi ko, without declaring martial law, I dismantled the oligarchy that controlled the economy of the Filipino people.
Captain Meldy M. Aipa, Philippine Navy Marines. Master Sergeant Bernard M. Navarro, Infantry, Philippine Army. Staff Sergeant Nestor T. Pablito, Philippine Navy Marines. Master Sergeant Divino B. Buing, Philippine Air Force. And Petty Officer 2 Joel R. Ian Santos, Philippine Navy. Thank you, Colonel Franza. May we call on Lieutenant General Cerelito E. Sobejana, Commander, Western Mindanao Command, for conferment of the Order of Lapu-Lapu Rank of Kampilan.
Orden ni Lapu-Lapu, Ranggong Kampilan. Itinatag ang Orden ni Lapu-Lapu noong 2017 at iginawad ng Pangulo ng Pilipinas bilang pagkilala sa pagiging huwaran sa paglilingkod ng mga opisyal at kawani ng pamahalaan. Gayon din ang mga pribadong individual sa pamahalaan dahil sa maringal na pagpapasulong at advokasya ng Pangulo, gaya ng pagpapakita ng kagitingan at kabutihang nagpamalas ng kahanga-hangang paglilingkod at katangi-tanging ambag sa bansa. Iginawad ang Orden ng Lapu-Lapu, Ranggong Kampilan sa mga opisyal at kawani ng pamahalaan at pribadong individual na malubhang nasugatan o napinsala o nagtamo ng matinding pagkawala ng ari-arian sa tahasang partisipasyon sa isang gawain na umaalinsunod sa pagpapalawig o advokasya ng Pangulo. Iginawad ang gantimpalang natamo ng Ordenang Lapu-Lapu Ranggong Kampilan kay Staff Sergeant Ramonito Dayapole. Corporal Maynard Capote.